Hello friends, in today's class we are going to talk about different types of optimization. Hi everyone, and the next topic is the categories of the optimization. So here, as I told you that we are only dealing with local optimization, and in that local optimization we are going to talk about elimination of common sub-expression. So it may be possible that within the basic block, the same expression, suppose if I am just doing this a of I and b of multiplied by b of j, b of I, sorry, okay, let me take it out. Okay, multiplied by b of I, and a and b, the index value for both of them is same. So in case of 3 address code translation, what we'll do is that we will calculate that I into 4, and then we'll say a of t1 over here, and multiplied by I have to again calculate the same I multiplied by 4 for the same type of the array, and I have to write b of t2. So naturally, one instinct and naturally one way of to avoid this calculation of t1 and t2, rather than I'll just calculate t1, I won't calculate this part here, and I'll just write here t1. Okay, so the reason is that this sub expression is common to both of them. The next one is the copy propagation, where a copy of, let's say, a, b is there, and copy of variable is present, and we can propagate it. Okay, so propagate it, and I'm not giving you any example over here. Later we'll see that what exactly is the copy propagation. Dead code elimination is a liveness analysis, whether at particular moment a variable is live or not. Okay, so first here we'll see the definition of live. Okay, so we'll see the definition of live, and then we'll see that whether a variable live or not. Strength reduction is a common example where we replace a high cost operation with what, with comparatively low cost operation. So that is strength reduction, and we can replace multiplication. Okay, multiplication operation, we can replace it by addition. Okay, so that is one category of your strength reduction. Suppose 2 multiplied by x. Now this equivalent here term in this case is x plus x. 4 multiplied by x, this can be written as equivalent as x, and then you left shifted by 2 positions. Okay, so these are few tricks or what we can adopt over here. Constant propagation is suppose the expression t1 calculate 4 multiplied by 5, and then here 4 multiplied 5 is a part of an expression, and that I'm calculating over here. Rather than calculating it this expression value, what I can directly calculate t1 is equal to, I can let's say 20, and every place where t1 is present we can propagate that constant. So I'll not say that I entirely explained you this local category of the optimization. This I haven't to give you any example, but I would say that these are the different categories. I just at introductory level I have introduced it, so we can say this is just a small amount of introduction of this. Okay, now we'll see each one in detail, that what exactly this optimization techniques are. Okay, so that's all for this session, and in the next section we'll see all these different categories of optimization. So thank you.